Hi, I am going to show you my favorite wrap style to do with a rectangular scarf. So what you want to do is start with the width of your scarf, not terribly much longer than the almost circumference, this portion of the circumference of your head with shaper, because otherwise you end up with a lot of loose fabric in the tie and it just doesn't stay on very well. Next, I find the center and align that with the top of my shaper. Now you can see here the back, the bottom, it is actually still pretty long. So what I'm going to do is bring it forward just a little bit, overlap, and then tuck under in the front. This is kind of your choice. I like to do this so that what is right next to my face, the print on the scarf, is what I pick. Here I like to feature this blue because it matches the blue of my shirt, but you can really do it any way you want. Next, I'm going to tie the tails just in the back, in the center, pulling one through the other, and tight. Not too tight, but just secure. Not finally. Next, we will pull both of the tails to one side, take the first one, and twist. Now pay attention to which direction you're twisting in, because you need to make sure that you twist them both in the same direction. So I'm twisting this one, we'll call it counterclockwise, and then I'm going to tuck it under my arm over here just to keep it out of the way. Now I'm twisting the second one, also counterclockwise. You'll see why that's important in 1 second. Okay, so now that I've got them both fairly tightly twisted, get the first one back, and then I'm going to twist them together clockwise, so the opposite direction from how each individual tail is twisted. That is how you get this really pretty rope twist braid. So remember, both of them in one direction and then together in the opposite direction. From there, super simple, I just take the whole twist, bring it around. I like to put it back kind of where the shaper starts to go back up again, just because I like how that falls. But if you like it more prominent, you can absolutely do it here. I just don't like that much up by my face. Anyway, you take it around to the back, tuck. I always try to make sure that I'm tucking into the scarf, not underneath the shaper. I think that works a little bit better for me. And there you go. Bye.